Good people. It's November 7th. It's Northman Swim at the Bear River in Petoskey. Look how different it is today. Some big chunks of ice. And we're just going to let the lake, well, let the river be, however it is. I'm going to deal with it in there. No whacking, no hacking. I'm going to go and I got a little spot there and I'm going to enjoy it for what it is today. So we're going to find a good angle and explore our water winter wonderland as it is given to us. So got some giant chunks of surfing material there, and it's not safe for putting the phone in the river today. Let's see how that works. That looks pretty safe. And that is right nice. I have to show you this cool ice shelf. And then I'm going to get out and get you right off. Don't fall. Whoops. Well, there it is if you can see it.